In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can layer two videos to create something epic as this here using the mask tool. So we got our plane flying down here and we got the underwater world above the plane. So if you want to achieve something like this here, let's go ahead and get started. You can do this using the materials, or if you have videos that are quite similar to this here, to fuse them or blend them together, let's go ahead and do that. So you'll start with the base video. If you have something with a plane flying and the sky is moving like this here, then you now want to start from the beginning point here. Go to PIP right there, and you'll go ahead and insert your next video. In this video tutorial though, I'll be using the materials section. That's where you can get access to this right here. So what we're going to do is look for the scenery section. Hopefully I'm in the right spot. All right, so you're gonna be here and you're going to look for the one that has this whale kind of just floating across. All right, so maybe it's not the whale, the scenery part. All right, that was my mistake. So it's under the space section here. So we'll go down to space and you'll see this one right here. Now, once this has been inserted here, what you're gonna do now is use the fill tool option. Once this video is selected, you'll go to fill. That's going to fill up the entire video frame here. And you're going to now go to mask. So head over to mask, this one right here, and you're going to use the line option, that right there. And you're going to kind of bring this yellow bar here a little bit up like that there, a little bit over the wing. Okay, you want to kind of make it a little bit creative, like it actually is above the plane. And from here now, you'll adjust the feather tool here. This is going to have it fade in so it looks a bit more natural. And when I press this check mark here, you're going to see now that the plane is going to be going to the right and the whale is going to be going to the left. So I'll press that here, and that's the best way you can fuse two videos or layer two videos to create something magical as this right here. And if this guide helped you out in any way, please do help hit that. No, let me say this again. Help this video grow, this channel grow by hitting that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.